Good afternoon, Tulasi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
First of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, myself, Meenu. I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Just give me an introduction about yourself, Tulasi.
My name is Tulasi, ma'am. I came from Karnal, Andhra Pradesh. I recently graduated from Pullareddy Engineering College in civil engineering, and I took course in IDM in CMTI, IDM plus BIM.
You have done interior design and with BIM, right? So,
Yes.
what are the syllabus you have learned? So, you can just detail and tell. So,
I learned about interiors like kitchens and wardrobes, and some softwares, BIM, Revit, and Sketchup.
so you went for site visits, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how was the site visit experience?
Yeah, that was good. I experienced reality, like how they will be looking like in real, and I learned things which I don't know before going to the site visits.
Okay. So, how many site visits you have went and how interesting it was to you?
More than 15, ma'am, and they are very good. And every place is very different compared to the other place. And I saw many more interiors which I did not saw before, and it was good experience.
Yeah, that's nice to hear. So you was doing the interview preparation, other things, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how was the interview preparation before going for interview?
And I took help from staff and CMTA app, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So how was our CMTI trainers?
They are good, ma'am. They are teaching very good, which helped me in interviews.
So how did you crack your interview? So with the help of the trainers and these things you told you, you was using the app, right? So how did you crack the interview? So for upcoming students, that will be very helpful. So if you're telling.
When the staff teaches the teaching, just that is enough for the interviews, ma'am. Everything is taught in classes and in CMTI app also. They are enough for the interviews, ma'am.
So CMTI staffs, right? So entire coordination, how they was dealing with you, you was fine with the class timings, the procedures, other things, you was fine with the staffs?
Yes, ma'am, I'm fine with them. And they're very good in the classes also. Even when we ask any questions, they'll be very free to answer, like solving our questions and all.
That is nice to hear. So do you use our CMTI app? For using the CMTI app, it was user-friendly or how it was to you? It was difficult or it was easy?
At first, it was a little difficult, and after that, I managed, and now it is user-friendly.
Yeah, okay, fine. It was happy to talk with you. Okay. Yeah. So once again, congratulations. We
Thank you.
happily, start your work. And yeah, thanks for your feedback. Thank you.